Everybody, I'm coming. How you doing? I just thought I'd drop in and we can do an unboxing. I've already taken it out of the box and I got caught up in everything, so I had to redo this video. So I've already taken out the canvas, and it has some wrinkles on the back. I might be able to get this straightened out once I straighten out the paper on it, but we'll see what happens. This is the picture that it's supposed to be. It's a 40 by 60. I received it from AliExpress, and let's see, I got it from the He Hui store for $19.32. I ordered it the 21st, and I got it the 19th of this month. And I was really impressed with this. I saw this on somebody else's video, so I thought I would go and get this. I don't know that they are or aren't the same size. Let me pull this down and I can show you what the canvas looks like. From here, it looks pretty clear. There's some dark areas, so I will have to use a light pad. That doesn't bother me. And I don't know if you can see the picture or not. He's not real vivid. He's kind of hidden. But I think, whoops, let's not get stuck to the lamp over here. Looks like it's going to have some really good colors. It comes with an inventory sheet. And I may have to take this and put parchment paper on it and then iron it. But I've done that before and it's worked just fine. I don't see any rivers or bubbles. Oh, sorry guys. I wanted to show you the drill field. And hopefully you can see that. It looks pretty clear to me. And I'm standing away from it. It does have a small key, so I will be, like I've said before, I use the paper that comes with it. And it has 44 colors. And the biggest color is 820. 820, 995 has 10. And the 820 has 17. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. The biggest color is 310. 39 bags of 310. Prayers, people, prayers. And it is a round. I usually do my inventory afterwards, but I'll just lay these out so you can see them. This is the 820. It's kind of a blue. I'd say it's not a dark, it's dark, but it's not dark blue. So I don't know what you call that. I can't think right now. I never can think when I'm trying to video, but it seems like I always forget things. That's a real pretty color. And that is let me turn it that way. Nope. 995. And it's kind of a turquoise color. It's really pretty. So it's going to have some really pretty blues. I'm really into blue. Blue is my favorite color. There's 738. Another shade of blue. Then we have kind of a blue-gray. That's 793. And this is 803. It's kind of in between those. And here's a nice turquoise. It is 996. And let's see, what else? There seems to be some rusts. Woo. Rusts, oranges, or goldy orange. And then they have a tan. And then we have kind of a brick red, dark brick red. And kind of a medium mauve, if you will. So there's lots of really nice colors. Oh, and it has a nice pink. Maybe that's for part of his eyes or something. There's my 310s. They all have the gold lettering, so it's kind of hard to see. I don't prefer that, but I like that they're in these little bags. They're nice. But I will do the inventory and let you know if I got everything. And check that all in. But, yeah. So we'll see how that goes. But there's a lot of 310 in that, people. Lots of 310. It says on this, it says drill number 310, 3865, and 5200. 5200? 3 colors have big bags. There's no 5200 in this, people. But I guess those are the ones that are used the most prevalent in diamond paintings. Oh, there's this nice yellow too. See that? That's kind of cool. I like that. But lots of blues and some accent complementary colors of your oranges and browns. But I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll know when I have another unboxing or another video come out. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye-bye, guys.